Hello children, our today's topic is about your most favorite persons in family. They are the root of our family. You all must have understood I am talking about your grandparents. Today we are going to do study of a poem about grandparents. First we will see objectives. First one is to build a relationship with grandparents. Second is to observe carefully. Third one is to be able to extend the song. Look at this beautiful picture. We can see here a beautiful grandma wearing glasses and holding a stick in her hand. Grandma is talking with her granddaughter. They both are looking very happy. There is an aquarium and a dining table. Children, grandparents are the parents of your parents. We will know more about them through a poem. Our poem name is Grandma's Glasses. You have seen how they look like. Many of you have grandparents wearing glasses, holding a stick in their hand while walking. You must have noticed any special habit of your grandparents. I would like to share about my grandpa. When he was sleeping, there was a loud snoring sound. And sometimes he do that to make me laugh. Now he is not with me. I miss him a lot. Children, our grandparents have so many stories and experiences from their own lives to share. Sometimes you do not listen to your parents, but you listen to your grandparents. Usually they forget the things like medicines, sunglasses or anything like that, and they keep on asking us again and again about the things. So we should talk to them very politely and help them to find out the things. If you respect and love them, we get it back, love and blessings. Now children, listen the poem carefully.
Here are Grandma's glasses. Here is Grandma's hat. This is the way she folds her hands and lays them in her lap. Here are Grandpa's glasses. Here is Grandpa's hat. This is the way he folds his arms, just like that. Here are Grandma's glasses. Here is Grandma's hat. This is the way she folds her hands and lays them in her lap. Here are Grandpa's glasses. Here is Grandpa's hat. This is the way he folds his arms, just like that.
Children, do the actions shown in the pictures while reciting a poem. Now we'll start. Okay. Here are Grandma's glasses. Here is Grandma's hat. This is the way she folds her hands and lays them in her lap. Here are Grandpa's glasses. Here is Grandpa's hat. This is the way he folds his arms, just like that. Well done, children. Observe any of your family member. Notice one habit, action or dialogue that is unique to that person. You can extend the poem by adding any member of your family with his action. Children, see this page number 27. Here you need to extend the poem. I will show you example how to extend the poem. Listen. Here is father's bag. Here is father's watch. This is the way he speaks on call, just like that. Now see the next example. Here is brother's bat. Here is brother's ball. This is the way he plays cricket, just like that. Now see the third example. Here is mother's kitchen. Here is mother's gas. This is the way she cooks food, just like that. Dear children, while saying each line of the poem, you have to do actions. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you. Take care.